Vlogmas Day 18. Welcome back to Vlogmas 2025. Today is Vlogmas Day number 18. I'm gonna say this every time, it's so crazy. But in today's video, we are prepping some more. We have today and tomorrow, and then we get to leave for our Disney Christmas trip. So lots to prep, lots to do. So we're gonna be doing a lot around the house. I just got home from work. I am gonna go head over to Target to pick up a lot of our groceries. So what we do in the cabins, it's really nice because my mom and dad will cook 3 dinners. Joe and I will cook 3 dinners. They do the breakfast, we do the lunches, and it just works out perfectly that way. And we just enjoy it. So I have to go get the food for our trip. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll be bringing you guys along, probably just showing you guys what I put in my basket. And then when we get home, we have our Moonshine Advent calendar to do. We're caught up now, so we only have to do 1 a day, which is exciting. And I got a notification that 2 more of my DTF Disney transfers came in. I need to get that tree wrapped for the golf cart. So I need to pick up hot glue for the hot glue gun, because if you guys missed it, I thought I had it, I didn't, so we weren't able to do it, so now I have to go get it. And then I also have to pick up some more sweatshirts for my DTF transfers. So 2 more are here today, and my last 2 are gonna be here tomorrow, and I'm really excited because one was supposed to be here Friday. So yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys along. Let's get going on Vlogmas Day number 18. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post a new Vlogmas video. And let's get started. I'm starting in the clothes section, and they have this Aspen, Colorado. Really like this. It's like really, I don't know if it's gonna come on camera, but it's like really fuzzy. It's very cute. It's by Universal Thread. It's $35. I just don't know if it's gonna be cold enough to be able to wear it. But I love it so much with the ski lift. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in like where the athleisure wear is. Since when did these pants come back with the buttons that go all the way down? I think it was like Adidas that had that before. That is so funny. I haven't seen these in forever. That is so funny. Do you guys remember these kind of pants? You'll have to let me know.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming.
I've never seen this before. It's from Hormel Black Label Jalapeno Thick Cut Bacon. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. That looks so good. You guys have to let me know if you guys have tried that, because I have not. They have a limited edition one. Frank's Red Hot Original. I haven't seen these before. Thick cut bacon coated with seasoning inspired by Frank's Red Hot sauce. Let me know if you guys have tried those too.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
Okay, I think I did enough damage. Time to go check out.
Merry Christmas, honey. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. Baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking.
I am home from Target. I was able to get pretty much everything that we needed, which was really exciting. Joe came out to the car and like, do you need help? I'm like, yeah. He's like, whoa. But you gotta remember, we're cooking in the cabin. But I am home. We got everything put away. Joe heated up some chili that was left over from yesterday, so we're gonna have that for dinner. Our 12 days of Christmas advent calendar.
I don't think it's an advent calendar.
Well, is this not an advent calendar? It's a countdown.
Yeah, it's just 12 days like Christmas.
Whatever. I consider this an advent calendar because it's a countdown.
Okay, 12 days of moonshine, it says.
Yeah, it's 12 days of moonshine. Let us know if this is not an advent calendar because I've been calling it that since we started.
Yeah. But it's okay.
Anyways.
It is what it is.
Now that we're caught up, we only get one today.
Yes.
Boo-hoo. So we are going to open day number 5. You ready? What you waiting for?
Let's go.
Oh,
Ooh.
ooh, we've had this one before.
Orange Shinesicle.
So Joe and I actually get big bottles of this.
Yeah.
We really like this one. This is the Old Smoky Moonshine Orange Shinesicle Cream Liqueur.
I feel like this one's really hard to find.
It is. Well, we have it in our thing. So our chiller thing is in the dishwasher right now. Are we just gonna do it?
We can put it over ice.
You want to put it over ice? Yeah. We need to have ours chilled. Don't ask me why. It's just the thing. We got to have it chilled. And again, that's what it looks like. These are such cute jars to keep. Have I been keeping them? No. Should I have? Yes. Because I feel like you can do some really cool things with it. So we're going to put it over ice in our little Christmas cup. Get every drop. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. It was so good. All right. That was delicious. So we are going to have some leftover chili that Joe made yesterday, and then we will continue on our evening. And of course, you guys are coming along because it's Vlogmas. All right, dinner is done, and now I'm gonna put my DTF transfers on the shirts, or sweatshirts I should say, and I wanna show you guys what they look like. So the first one I got was for when we go to Hollywood Studios, our Hollywood Studios day. This one has turned out so freaking cute. It says Dashing Through the Snow with Slinky Dog. And I love how Dashing has like white snow over it. It just looks so adorable. And I think I'm gonna put this on a gray sweatshirt because I haven't done gray yet, and I think it would make the red stand out. So I think we're gonna do a gray sweatshirt. If you guys missed yesterday's vlog, I get these from Walmart. They're the True in Time Relax Fit. So they're longer. I got it like extra baggy so that when I wear leggings, it covers up the booty. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put this one on the gray sweatshirt. And then the next one is for our Magic Kingdom day. And I got this one that says Main Street Sleigh Ride. It has Pluto, Mickey, Minnie on a sleigh with some like snow forest type thing. Then at the bottom it says hot cocoa, cookies, and magical fun. I love that so much. I think this is gonna go on a white sweatshirt, and I'll show you that in just a second. This is the white sweatshirt, so I think the Magic Kingdom one's gonna go on this. I will put a link in the description bar just like yesterday with the sellers that I bought this from off of Etsy. What I do is I go to that purchase, they have instructions, and we're gonna get started on heat pressing these 2 sweatshirts. I'm so excited. Alrighty, so we have our first fail. This one did not work. So I would not recommend this Etsy seller because I followed their instructions. We did everything correctly, and it just would not stay on the shirt. And we had to press it so much, we ended up burning the shirt. So it looks cute here, but you can see right there, some of the lettering's missing, and you see the burnt right there. Like, we just could not get this to stick. I haven't had an issue with any other ones, so I will not be listing them below because I do not recommend them. But let's do our second one, and hopefully that one goes.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah.
Well, I am glad that one turned out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Give me just a second. All right, let me show you guys what this one looks like. It turned out so cute. I love how it looks. It looks amazing. I love it so much. It makes me so happy. I'm so disappointed in that one. Like I said, I will not be listing them below, and I will be sending them a message on Etsy because I haven't had an issue with any of these. So yeah, that's quite a bummer, to be honest, because we leave in 2 days, so it's too late to get another one. But anyways, I'm glad this one came out. And then I have 2 more coming tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. All right, next up, we bought this tree, if you guys missed it, at Five Below to put on top of our golf cart. And we are going to hot glue lights on it because the only thing that lights up, as far as we know, is this. So we're gonna find that out and then we will get started. All right, so we also got these multicolored lights from Five Below too. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hot glue them around the tree on the outside. So we did light up the tree, and it does have a little bit of like yellow glow lights in the inside, but I want this to scream a Christmas tree, so we're gonna put lights on, right?
Right.
Right. So let's put the lights around this tree.
Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
All right, we are done. We're going to turn it on. Ta-da! Doesn't it look so cute? Let me pan you guys down a little bit. Doesn't it look cute?
Well, let's turn the,
I love it. You got to turn the actual star on too. Yay! And then like you can kind of see the glow. So yeah, that turned out good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. All right, the next thing I want to prep and get done with is we got these stockings to hang on the golf cart for part of our one scene that I haven't said yet. So I want to stuff them. I got these from Five Below, but I am just going to take parchment paper and then I'm going to stuff the stocking with it so that it's nice and poofy.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
All right, so one stocking is done. It feels really cool and it looks really good. It looks nice and stuffed.
It does.
Yeah, perfect.
Good job.
We got 2 of these, so I'm gonna do the next one. All right, both stockings are done, nice and stuffed. So that's good. That's one last thing that we have to do tomorrow. So we have this bin from last year when we stayed at the cabins, and we have these big bulbs that we are going to use again this year. So I'm just gonna start putting stuff in the bin here. We also have fishing line that we used last year. So what I'm gonna do is just start putting things in here so that it is ready to go. All we have to do is pack this. All right, and then also we have these lights to put around the top of the golf cart with the big bulbs. So we are gonna pack these in here. We also have zip ties that came very handy last year that my parents bought that we didn't think about bringing. So this year, we're making sure we bring some. All right, next thing that I want to do is we brought this wreath with us last year, and we're going to use it again this year. It's just a spare wreath that we had that we don't use around the house anymore. And we went to either Five Below or the dollar store, I forgot, and we got red, green, and white tinsel garland, and I just braided them together and wrapped it around. And this year, we had white lights around it. This year, I got, because we're kind of going more like multicolored lights, so I have these. So we're gonna wrap these around so that we get this part done. All right, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to tell because it is dark out, but we have all the outdoor stuff packed and ready to go in the car. So tomorrow, all we have to do is pack our suitcases and food, and then we will be good to go. That's exciting. All right, guys, I think that is gonna be it for today's video. Things just were not going right this evening, and that's okay. I am very bummed out about that DTF transfer. All the other ones turned out fine. I don't know. But it makes me sad because now I don't have anything for Hollywood Studios, but that's okay. But tomorrow is a new day. But I'm glad we were able to get all the outdoor stuff packed, and tomorrow we just have to concentrate on our clothes, bathroom stuff, and our food is already in like the Target bags and stuff, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. Bye.